Hello students, welcome back. In this video, we are going to continue exercise 3.3 of chapter 3 trigonometric functions. We have already completed exercise 3.1 and exercise 3.2 and 1 to 13 questions of exercise 3.3. So in this video, we will do question number 14 and 15. So let's start. This is proof type of question. So we have to prove left hand side is equals to right hand side of the given equation. So one side we can work. So I'm going to start from left hand side. So left hand side is given to us as sine 2x plus 2 sine 4x plus sine 6x. So few formulas we have done. I'll just remind you. So here's sine. Three signs are there. So first of all, let us do rearrangement. So sine 2x and sine 6x, I'll just pair them up. So I'll write it as sine 6x plus sine 2x. So this I am going to write as one pair plus 2 sine 4x. Why I am writing it separately? Because it's 2 times sine. Because in any of the formulas we have sine x plus sine y. So 2 is not there. So that's why I paired sine 6x and sine 2x. So we have done this formula sine x plus sine y. So sine x plus sine y, this is 2 sine. So sine means there is a combination of sine and cos. From starting this pattern we are following, whenever sine is there, sine will always give us a combination of sine and cos. So in positive, in plus formula, we have sine first and then cos, and in sine x minus sine y we have cos first and then sine. So both the formulas I'll remind you here, I'll give you both the formulas. So it is 2 sine x plus y by 2 into cos x minus y by 2. Sin x minus sin y. Sin will always give us a combination of sin and cos, but in minus formula, first cos will be there. So 2 cos x plus y by 2 into sin x minus y by 2. Here x and y are two different angles. Okay, so same way if we see here, so sin x plus y we have to use. So this is x. This is 6x is x, 2x is y. So I'm just going to apply the formula now. The first one sin x plus sin y. So this formula is 2 sin. Now x plus y. So x is what? 6x. Y is x. Y is 2x. So 6x plus 2x by 2. 2 sine 6x plus 2x by 2 into cos. This is x minus y. So this will be 6x minus 2x by 2. So first expression I have used. Now plus 2 sine 4x as it is I am going to write. Now let us simplify this. We can add. So 6x plus 2x is equals to 8x. So here I'll get, so you don't do cancellation here. So this 2 and this 2, they won't get cancelled because this 2 inside the bracket is 2 with the angle and this 2 is outside. So we can't cancel. So 2 sine. So 6x plus 2x, so like terms we can add 8x by 2. 8x by 2 into cos 6 minus 2 is 4. So 4x by 2 plus 2 sine 4x. Now up and down cancellation we can do because the same angle. We can do here cancellation 2 into 1, 2 into 4, 2 into 1, 2 into 2. So here I am getting 2 sine 4x into cos 2x plus 2 sine 4x. Now you can see 2 sine 4x. 2 sine 4x is common. So common factor, we'll write it outside. So 2 sine 4x, it's common to both of the terms. So I'm taking it out. So whatever is left, I'll write now. So I'm left with 2. I'm left with cos 2x plus 1. If here nothing is there, that means 1 is there. So this is what I am left with, cos 2x plus 1. Now for cos we have few formulas. So I'll just give you the formulas. For cos we have few formulas. So here I am just going to write the formulas. So I am sure you have already noted down this thing. Okay, so cos 2x. Cos 2x, we have few formulas. So cos 2x is equals to cos square minus cos square x minus sin square x. Also, cos 2x is equals to 2 cos x, 2 cos square x minus 1. Also, cos 2x is equals to 1 minus 2 sin square x. So here few formulas, this you can memorize like one by one. I am giving you all the formulas all at once. I haven't given you from starting. We have done so many formulas in this exercise. So few formulas I am giving you, not all together at once. So cos 2x is also equals to 1 minus tan square x by 1 plus tan square x. So for cos 2x, I have given you all the formulas. Okay, so these four formulas. So accordingly, we have to use whichever is required, that one we can use. So first one is cos square x minus sin square x, then 2 cos square x minus 1, then 1 minus 2 sin square x, 1 minus tan square x plus 1 plus tan square x. So this one. So if you see first one, if you know first one, remaining 2 as it is, you can remember. See cos square, because we can use the square relation also. You know this. So sine square is actually what? Sine square is, so what is sine square? Sine square is 1 minus cos square x. Okay, so if we write it in terms of cos, when we open the bracket, this is the same thing we are going to get. So same way, if we are changing cos square, cos square we know it is equals to 1 minus, so square relations we have done. In grade 10th, we have done sine square x plus cos square x is equals to 1. So if I change cos, if I shift sine to other side, so it will be cos square x is equals to 1 minus sine square x. So if I change this value, then this formula I'll be getting. So as it is, if you want, you can remember separately, you can remember all the formulas. Now, which one we have to use here? Which one we have to use? If you see here, right hand side, cos square x is there. So that means I need to change it, this cos 2x in terms of cos square x. So let's do that. So cos square I need, which is present in this formula. We don't need sine. So I'm going to use the second one. I'm just going to use second one. So this formula is cos 2x is equals to 2 cos square x minus 1. Now what we will do, we already have cos 2x. So cos 2x value, this one we will substitute here. So I'm just going to substitute. So here I'm getting 2 sine 4x. So cos 2x is equals to 2 cos square x minus 1. A plus 1 is already there. Plus 1 is already there. I have just written the value of cos 2x. Cos 2x is 2 cos square x minus 1. Now plus 1 and minus 1, it will get cancelled. So what I am left with now, I am continuing here, 2 sine 4x into 2 cos square x. So 2 and 2 we can multiply. 2 into 2 is 4. cos square as it is I can write into sine 4x. Since multiplication is commutative, so I have just written in the way it's given to us at right hand side. So which you can see it's present at right hand side also. So left hand side we have solved it equals to right hand side. So question number 14 we have completed. Let's do question number 15. If you see question number 15, you can see here right hand side and left hand side. Both we have to work out. So let's work out both individually and their answer should be equal. So first I'm going to start with left hand side. So left hand side is given to us as cot 4x into sine 5x plus sine 3x. So identities which we have to use of is sine x plus sine y because it's clearly visible. Also, if you want cot, we can change to sine and cos. So cot we know cot x is equals to cos x by sine x. So by quotient relation which we have learned. So here cot 4x we have. So this I am going to change it to cos and sine form. So this will become cos 4x by sine 4x. So cot 4x because the angle is 4x, so it will be 4x. Whatever angle here will be, the same angle will be there with cos and sine. So cot I have changed. Now we have done this formula sine x plus sine y. So this is equals to with sine combination of sine and cos. So this expression 2 sine x plus y by 2 into cos x minus y by 2. So this we have used in the previous question also. Here x is equals to 5x and y is equals to 3x. So accordingly we will use the formula 2 sine. So 5x plus 3x by 2 into cos 5x minus 3x by 2. Now let's simplify. So cos 4x by sine 4x as it is, 2 as it is, sine. 5 plus 3 is 8. So 8x, I'll get 8 by 2 is equals to 4. So directly I'm going to write here sine 4x. So the next one also cos 5x minus 3x. So 5 minus 3 is 2x. So 2x by 2, it will only be equals to x. So I can write it equals to cos x. The thing I have done, I've just added. So 5 plus 3 it became 8. 8 by 2 is equals to 4. So directly I have written. Now everything is getting multiplied. Everything is getting multiplied. That's why I'll just open the bracket. So cos 4x by sine 4x into 2 sine 4x into cos x. So sine 4x and sine 4x because up and down we can do cancellation. Everything is in multiplicative form. So what I am left with here, this 2 I can write 2 cos 4x into cos x. So this I have gotten here after simplifying the left hand side. Now let's work out on right hand side also. So right hand side I'm going to start now. So same way we will solve. Same way like we have done left side. So right side we have RHS. We have cot x into sine 5x minus sine 3x. So cot we can change to sine and cos. So cot is equals to cos x by sine x. So cot x I'm just changing to sine and cos. So relation we know it is cos x by sine x. So same relation which we have done, which we have used on left hand side also. Now the formula which we have to use, it is sine minus. So minus formula, cos at the front we have to write. So 2 cos x plus y. So 5x plus 3x by 2. into again sine, because sine, it will always give us a combination of sine and cos. When minus identity is there, cos will come at the front. When plus is there, sine at the starting. Now cos we have written with sine 5x minus 3x by 2. So I have used the formula. Now let's simplify it. So cos x by sin x. Cos x by sin x. So 2 cos. Here same thing. 5 plus 3 is 8. 8 by 2 is 4. So 2 cos 4x into sin. 5 minus 3 is 2. 2 by 2 is x only. So now if you open the bracket, so it is cos x by sin x into cos 4 2 into cos 4x into sin x. Up and down we can do cancellation. Sin x and sin x will get cancelled. What I am left with now, 2 I can write at the starting. 2 cos 4x is there into cos x. So if you see, same answer we have gotten here while after solving left hand side also. So I can write left hand side is equals to right hand side. So hence proved. So here we have completed question number 14 and 15 of exercise 3.3. I am going to continue this exercise from question number 16 in the next video. So like, share and subscribe, and now you can join my channel also for more perks. Thank you.